the TSA TAB. This test focuses more on visual and cognitive skills. This format may include tasks such as 2D to 3D shape folding, connecting the dots, image matching, and other visual reasoning exercises. These question types are designed to test how well you notice small details, compare visual information, understand spatial relationships, and work quickly and accurately. In the 2D to 3D section, you will see a flat shape and asked which 3D object it would form when folded. To solve this, pay attention to the number of faces, the position of each shape, and which sides would touch after folding. Try to imagine the shape rotating in your mind instead of focusing only on how it looks flat on the screen. In the Connecting the Dots section, you need to follow a visual sequence quickly and accurately. This section tests your ability to stay focused, track details in the correct order, and avoid small mistakes under time pressure. In the Image Matching section, you need to compare 2 or more images and decide whether they are the same or different. Small changes in angle, position, direction, or shape can matter, so accuracy is very important. Let's get started, and good luck with your preparation.